हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज का जो वीडियो है, दिस इज ऑलरेडी क्लियर टू ईच एंड एवरीवन दैट इट विल बी रिलेटेड टू पाइथन्स प्रिंटिंग, राइट? कि पाइथन में हेलो वर्ल्ड बोलना बहुत आसान है या हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट करना बहुत आसान है, जो कि मेरे पिछले वीडियो में आपने ऑलरेडी देख लिया था, राइट? उसका ट्रेलर। सो आज का जो हमारा वीडियो है, थंबनेल देखकर समझ में आ ही गया होगा, इट इज नॉट जस्ट हेलो वर्ल्ड। आज हम लोग और भी वेराइटीज के प्रोग्राम जानने वाले हैं। तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग शुरू कर लेते हैं हमारे पाइथन के सॉफ्टवेयर को, जो कि कुछ इस तरह से दिखने वाला है, राइट? और हम सबसे कॉमन चीज को करते हैं। लेट्स से प्रिंट ब्रैकेट ओपन, डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास ओपन, और आज हम लोग कुछ और भी नया जानने वाले हैं कि सिर्फ डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास नहीं, पाइथन में सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास के थ्रू भी हो सकता है। सो लेट अस सी प्रिंट हाई। राइट नाउ इट्स जस्ट हाई, एंड इसे रन करने के लिए हमारा शॉर्टकट क्या है? ऑल्ट शिफ्ट प्लस F10, राइट? एंड जस्ट प्रेस एंटर. Also, you can also use a new shortcut that is also known as Control plus Shift plus F10. ठीक है? So आपको स्क्रीन पर दिख ही रहा होगा, यहाँ पे HI high लिखा हुआ है. So let us just try some more alterations and maybe hello world, right? You can also use Control Shift and F10. You will directly get an output. So it's very easy, right? सो अब थोड़ा सा स्विच करते हैं हमारे आज के अगले प्रिंटिंग पे। दैट इज हमारा सबसे पहला था टू प्रिंट हेलो, विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. वी हैव जस्ट ऑल्टर्ड इट विथ हाई, एंड देन हेलो वर्ल्ड, विच इज अगेन वी हैव डन इट, राइट? एंड नाउ वी जस्ट आर गोइंग टू डू विथ सम ऑल्टरेशंस, दैट इज राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू प्रिंट हाई, हाउ आर यू इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन, राइट? सो व्हाट इज न्यू ओवर हियर? That is, we are just going to change the message over here. That is, first line में क्या था? It was high, and in the next line, so we'll just press enter and we'll type print. Again, it will be in double inverted commas, and you can just write hello, how are you, and a question mark, and we can just go ahead with executing the program, right? We all know the shortcut. It is Control plus Shift plus F10, right? So आपको दिख रहा है that in two different lines हमने print hi and then print hello how are you, हमने ये दो लाइन लिखा है and output आपके स्क्रीन पर है. So काफी सिंपल था, right? So let us try. जैसा कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको कहा कि क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास, क्योंकि जो लोग C++ के और जावा के बैकग्राउंड से आए हैं उन्हें जरूर ये थोड़ा अटपटा लग रहा होगा कि क्या सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा से ये पॉसिबल है? इज इट पॉसिबल विद जस्ट वन सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास, राइट? यूजुअली इट इज यूज्ड फॉर कैरेक्टर्स, बट यस, इट इज पॉसिबल इन पाइथन. सो लेट अस जस्ट एग्जीक्यूट दिस, एंड ओके, देयर इज नो चेंज, सो लेट अस जस्ट चेंज द मैसेज. ओके, हेलो, or maybe we are just changing the message with one more print with single inverted commas. Fine. Right now अभी हम just कर रहे हैं. Fine. So let us just Control plus Shift plus F10. Yes, it is working. Right? So यानी कि in Python both double inverted commas and single inverted commas, they both work, or you can also call it as double quotes or single quotes. Fine. So let us move to the next question. Today's question number 4, that is to write a program to print hi, comma, how are you? Again, it's the same question, but then using only one print command, means दो अलग अलग लाइन में प्रिंट होने चाहिए, but then it should output में दो अलग अलग, two different lines. While typing the program, it should be only one single line, but during the output, it should be just one single line. Then how is it possible? So over here I'm just introducing a new term called escape sequence. ठीक है, इसके बारे में हम लोग लेटर क्लासेस में जानेंगे, बट राइट नाउ यहाँ हम लोग जस्ट वन ऑफ द एस्केप सीक्वेंस की यूज कर रहे हैं. बट जस्ट एक छोटा सा इंट्रो दे रहा हूं. एस्केप सीक्वेंसेस आर स्पेशल कमांड्स. एस्केप सीक्वेंसेस आर स्पेशल कमांड्स which are used while printing or maybe while storing a string value. String value आगे के वीडियोस में है. string value or a message के बीच में, in between, if you want to give some special instruction such as changing the line, right, we are just going to use one print statement and we are just giving a backslash n. Now what does backslash n means? It means new feed or new line. Okay, it will act like a special instruction. So we have just written print within single or double quotes hi, given a space, or we can just give a comma according to the question, hi, and then following the part, how are you, right, with a question mark. So let us just go ahead and print it. Yes, it is working like hello, hi, how are you? But then a question might come into your mind that there is a bit of shift in the output. Yes, that is because we have given one space over here, which you can see. If I just remove this space and then I type, then like Control plus Shift plus F10, why I'm repeating it again and again? So that when you are going to execute it in your system, it should be there in your mind. So you can see hi, comma, space, backslash n. Backslash n means it's an instruction which can only be used within single quotes or double quotes. Point to be noted. Is it clear? So I hope this 4 questions we have already done. Now coming to the most important one. Write a program to print hello world, but it is similar to question number 2, right? So but this time there's a change over here, that is hello world within double inverted quotes or double quotes, right? So how are we going to do that? So let's do a fresh start. Okay, so we can do print. Okay, and just let us begin with something very basic that we already know. Print hello world. Okay, fine. So let us go with the output. Okay, so hello world is being printed over here, but the double quotes are missing. Why? Because the double quotes are already working like a string value, right? So over here we can put these double quotes inside single quotes, right? So we can just put a single quote over here, and at the end of double quotes we can put another single quote over there, right? And let us just execute this. Yes, it works in this way as well. Also, there is another method to do this using again escape sequence. So let us do that also. So this time what are we going to do is we are going to use the double inverted commas or the double quotes, right? And then we are giving a backslash double inverted commas, and before ending we are giving a backslash double inverted commas. Done. So again these double inverted commas will also act like a special instruction where in the output section it will change the message. So right now let's say hello everyone, and let's check the output. Yes, it is perfectly working. I hope it is clear till here to everyone. Correct? Harry Potter book, I can see some smiles on the faces, right? Harry Potter book has been written by J.K. Rowling, again in double quotes. So I don't think so it should be very tough for y'all. It is very easy. So just go to the just go to the printing section and just put single quotes, right? And you can just write Harry Potter book was written by J.K. Rowling, but it is in double quotes, right? So we'll put double quotes over here, and in between we'll just write J.K. Rowling, and let's try to execute this. Control plus Shift plus F10, correct. So it's completely done. Harry Potter book was written by J.K. Rowling, and J.K. Rowling has been highlighted. This is one of the important. And let's say if the situation just turns around and the situation is J.K. Rowling must be highlighted within single quotes. So what should we do then? So in that case we will just alter the signs, right? That is, double inverted commas will be out on the outer side and the single inverted quotes will be on the inner side, right? Is it done? Okay. So control plus shift plus F10. So you can just see that Harry Potter book was written by J.K. Rowling. So which means it could be either double quotes within single quotes, or it could be single quotes within double quotes. Right? I hope it's clear. But let's say a situation arises where you have to give both of them. That is, in the question also it arises that single inverted comma is also there and a double inverted comma is also there, or double quotes, right? So let's go to the next situation. Yes, this is the next situation, that J.K. Rowling's book, you can see that J.K. Rowling's has been highlighted with double quotes, and Rowling's obviously an apostrophe, that is single quote. Book was famous all over the world. So how to do in this case? Which one should we choose? So let us first of all copy the message. Actually, I'll just type it out. Let's do it within single quotes. And within single quote, it was asked us to write J.K. Rowling. Sorry for the typing mistake. J.K. Rowling apostrophe S. Now it will create a mistake over here, right? So let us proceed first. J.K. Rowling's book was famous all over the world, right? But you can see a red line error, right? So it is obviously related to this backslash. So what should we do? Here we are going to learn the third escape sequence, that is a backslash inverted or a backslash single quote. It will actually print the single quote within the whole message, right? So we can just go ahead and try to check it out. So obviously the program is completely fine. So I hope today you all have learned hello world, actually not just hello world. So today you all have learned about different types of printing parameters, like printing various types of messages with different types of criteria. So in the next video, we are going to learn something more about the printing and also about accepting values and related to data types. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.